What's up, YouTube? Chris's Fish is back again. This is going to be my third video for the day. I want to get a bunch knocked out. There's stuff I've really been wanting to do over the weekend. My wife hates it when I record YouTube videos at home, so I can't really do it on the weekend. I can upload, but I can't really sit down and bullshit with you guys and let you know what's going on. So what you're looking at today, this is a 10-gallon aquarium I got from a friend, my best friend Morgan. So shout out to you, Morgan. I believe he's recently subscribed as well. His girlfriend's kids have gone through multiple aquariums. I've got two. This is one of them from them. It was very skanky. It leaked like crazy. Tried cleaning it up with some vinegar and stuff the first day I got it, and as soon as I poured about 3 cups of vinegar in it, and then I was going to dilute it with water, you know, get everything good cleaning, this whole front seal down here completely gone. It was glass on glass. So that was fixed. You guys, there's a million videos on repairing, you know, leaking aquariums, which I probably should have done, but again, the wife was home. I didn't have time to do it. So it's fixed, it's set up, and what this is a divided 10-gallon aquarium. So it's going to be 5 gallons a piece for each betta. I've got a new betta coming in. It's supposed to be here on the 8th. So today's the 3rd, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, the cave back here you see, I made. This is all super glue, and this is called flagstone or slate stone. I busted it up with a hammer in a million pieces, and this is what we got. And then the residual smaller pieces are pulverized. I littered the ground with, so it actually kind of looks pretty good. Kind of proud of myself on that one. It's got a nice little overhang. We can see the leaf underneath there. And a very small, not deep cave. Turned out very well. Other side, however, I just threw some rocks in. I didn't do anything with them. I just kind of semi-stacked them in there so fish can get behind both. And I can also plant that later on with the plants I get today from MarcusFishTanks.com. I really suggest everybody go check him out. I've been talking to him on eBay over the weekend and a lot of last week. Super nice guy. He's got his own grow system down in Texas, and he's going to be growing some plants. He's moved to a bigger warehouse, so he's going to branch out even larger now. So he's got some plants coming to me. I haven't got a discount code from him. We'll be more communication with him. Like I said, super nice guy. Honestly, out of all the people I bought plants from on eBay, I just get basic answers back, and he actually, you know, asked questions, you know, kind of fielded what was going on, as did I with him. We messaged each other for days now, and it's been a really good talk with him. Really enjoyed, you know, talking with the guy. So anyway, I got a lot of plants coming from him. A lot of these plants you're seeing, the small cryptos and everything. Got pearlweed, some grasses in here. These are all from the 125. They went from the 125 to the 39 bow front. Had some in the 5-gallon, and then I had some in my 125 that is behind me, but I've got the lights off so we don't get horrible glares. Anyway, another purpose of today's video is not just to showcase the tank that I did, is I want to show you what I did, because you can see the baffles in the back over here. This is powered by a Fluval 106 canister filter, and canister filters were going to put out a lot of pressure for a betta to try to swim through. So what I did was create these baffles in the back, and then drilled them out all the way down. I went 3 inches from the bottom, so you can see right there where they start, and then goes up every inch. So what that does, that is the inlet, and the heater is behind there as well, which I need to get another heater, because that one's working, but I don't trust it. So anyway, it flows out of there at a nice slow rate. You can see the debris floating around in there. It's not overpowering. It's just a nice gentle flow. Flows through to the divider wall. Let's see if I can get that on video. So the bettas will, all in all, will not see each other. And then this is the return. Behind the return, I have my filter media that I've used. Let me get this lid off of here. So as you can see, this is the inlet, the return. There's the heater. There is some frog bit that didn't die, and some duckweed starting. And this is my return. And these filter sections, if I don't drop my camera in the water, these filter sections that are just cut to size, and then here's my return. Another reason I want to do this video today was to show you this light. As you can see, it's lighting this 10-gallon up beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. I will turn it this way just for a second so we can blind you guys with it. Some nice glare. Let's get it back down. Half that straight. So, and then it also, let's see, we can go off and then blue. This is actually probably the best quality clip-on light I have seen in a long time. And this is Nicrew clip-on light from Amazon. I'm going to try and add a link. This thing's $11, and it probably has the best rating out of all clip-on aquarium lights I've seen. There was one other that was a tandem light where it was two of them that came off and split. None of them had reviews as high as this one did, and I can see why. It's super bright. That's my normal 65K LED lights. They're just your normal LED bulbs that you take the cover off of. And this is that 2? Yes, we got 2, 3, 6, 12, 15. I think it's 18, 24 lights. Yep. Running across the vit, and it puts out a ton of light. So the plants are definitely going to like it. The color spectrum was between 65K and 10K. So that's going to be great. Absolutely great for growing plants. I'm going to add a bubbler in here just to get some surface tension breakup. And that's about it. I mean, other than the two fish I've got coming. So I've got a butterfly half moon coming in on the 8th. And this one is to be determined. So I'm going to go to the local fish store and see what they've got. I would like to find a female crown tail and possibly get her with that beautiful guy who is flaring. Looking gorgeous. And yes, those are tiger barbs he's with. 5 of them. No nipped fins, no nothing. Beautiful shape. I've got a video coming up today with him where he is showcased in it, along with the leaf litter and stuff in the aquariums. As you can see, I got a couple leaves in this one. I've got some more that are dried out and need to go in. And we'll go from there. I'm going to call this video done for the day. Again, the Nicrew, Nicrew, clip-on aquarium light. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I've seen a lot of reviews on these, not this light, but other clip-on lights. They're just not bright enough. Heard a couple people say this gets hot, but this has been on for probably 3 hours already this morning, and it's not even, I mean, it's warm, but it's not baking hot or anything. It's nice aluminum construction. It's waterproof. So I'm a satisfied customer. And this arm is absolutely, it doesn't move. It doesn't try to spring back to a different position. But yeah, guys, this is a Nicrew clip-on light. 10-gallon aquarium. I removed the rim on it. And then did the DIY baffles. This is just corrugated PVC. Let me get this out of the way. That's all it is. I've spray painted it black with Krylon paint, flat black. And that's it. And then silicone them into place. So you can have a canister filter without blowing your bettas to hell and back. And I'm pretty sure my fish are going to like it once they get in. Get that back into place just to prevent a little bit of heat loss. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment, subscribe, like it. Phone a friend, whatever. No, but seriously, this tank cost me nothing. This stuff, the corrugated stuff in the back, is just leftovers from all my other lids. It's just offcuts. Can of spray paint was, I think it was $3 at Lowe's when the wife picked it up. Other than that, all the rocks I had here, the plants I had from existing aquariums, they spread like crazy. So, I mean, all the stuff I have here, all my aquariums, I spent very little to nothing on them other than 2 heaters, 2 air pumps, and the fish themselves. So, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to keep this under 10 minutes, damn it. So, again, there's no reason you guys can get out and do it yourselves, but Again, you guys have a great day. Hopefully I have a couple more videos coming up this afternoon when they get an unboxing and the plants and stuff. And I will definitely be back with the live fish unboxing as well later. So you guys have a good one and hope to see you soon. Yeah, that is pretty.